Time is progress, progress of existence, existence of life. Time can mean other things too. Time is when something should happen or should be done. Time also can be a measure of a process or activity. Time is not something to find, it's something to use or make. I think we always have more than we realize because we always have time in every single day we are living on this planet. But also time is an illusion. It doesn't exist. It has been named or invented by us humans. It is confusing and also sad when you lose time. It can never be found again. That is why we need to use time wisely. If you find your day same as the next, you are failing to see and feel the good things are happening for you each day. Time is the most valuable thing in life and it is priceless. Use it and spend it the way you want. Good things always take time, so start that good thing now, but be patient. Time is really, really important. Time shows what really matters. Be yourself. The way to get started to be like time. Quit talking and start doing no matter what is happening around you. Always know and remember time is here for us. Keep going like the time.